Hi, my name is Aidan. I'm an intern with ClioVis, which is an interactive digital teaching platform created by UT Austin Professor of History Erica Basumik. ClioVis is a software that allows you to create digital timelines to map different concepts and events and allows you to collaborate with others in real time. The software has full compatibility with many learning management systems such as Canvas and Blackboard, so it's super accessible to incorporate into your courses and for students to use. Today, I'm going to show you an example timeline aimed at demonstrating how ClioVis could be used in different sociology courses, and specifically focus on how you can connect two events together and what an era is and how you can put that on your timeline as well. So if you go to ClioVis.com and you'll be presented with this page. If you go to the upper right hand corner and press start, you can log in or create an account. For me, it's taking me to my projects dashboard where I can create a new project or join an existing one. So I'm going to click enter, and then in the bottom left hand corner, once you're here, you'll be able to create a new timeline. See down here, you can click create a new timeline, or you can create folders to organize your existing ones. Alright, so today we're going to look at Marxist Leninism and the Russian Revolution, specifically looking at how this sociological theory, this theory, economic theory, was changed because of the Russian Revolution and impacted the beginning of the Russian Revolution. Alright, so to start, let's talk about how you can connect two events on a ClioVis timeline, which is one of the main interesting things about a ClioVis timeline that has helped me learn significantly when using ClioVis, because I'm able to break down these big ideas and connect smaller ones together and really visualize those connections on a timeline format. Alright, so a big thing in the Russian Revolution was there was the idea, okay, should it be led by professional revolutionaries or should it be led by masses, right? So this came to a head at the Second Congress of the RSDL, where they split off into the Mensheviks and the Bolsheviks. And Lenin talked about this idea, though, in a book that he published called What is to be Done, or a pamphlet. So if I were to connect his publication of this to the split of the Mensheviks and the Bolsheviks, I could draw a line between here and there. I could write a little description and include a reference if I want to really help me visualize the connection between these two events, between this higher theory that was produced and how it impacted events in real time. So then I can click finish editing, and that's how you create a connection. It's as easy as that. And that's a primary amazing part of ClioVis that I'm a student who uses it, and it allows me to see history in completely new ways, and sociology too. You can draw connections between different theories and their application super easily. Alright, so the next thing I want to show you is how to create an era. And this is just a very, very quick overview. But as you can see, I have this timeline divided into eras here. For example, this is the period that Russia was the USSR, and that's an era I have. If I click on it, I can put a description here, and I can include references, just like a regular node. So let's zoom in here. I have this gap, and I wanna label this an era, right? So if I go to create here, I can do create era or press Shift N, and I'm gonna call this era dual power, because it's when there was both the Soviets running and the provisional government. So let's call it dual power. I'm gonna go to year, month and year. I can have a duration 3/17 and 11/17. I can put in any description or references I want, and awesome, there you go. I have another era. So that's all I have for this super brief overview. I encourage you to think about how this technology could be used in your classrooms creatively, and I know that this was just a super quick overview of how two features work. So if you're interested in a personal demo or want to attend a webinar, please reach out to us and we'll set you up with how to do that. And thank you very much.